It is very difficult to weed on steep slopes outdoors. Traditional manual labor is not only difficult, but also unsafe. Don't worry, Koham's remote-controlled lawnmower comes to the rescue. It is equipped with a steel-led track and a unique concave and convex fixed-point design. What's more amazing is that it supports 200-meter remote control operation. The operator can hold the remote control and command the lawnmower to turn flexibly and operate accurately in a safe area. Even on an extremely steep slope of 80, a single person and a single machine can easily climb the slope and weed, which is both efficient, safe, and reliable.